Wow, repairs, repairs, repairs. They just keep coming faster than I can keep up. This faucet spraying out the side, you know, normal story. Oh, it just started leaking. Yeah, right. Thanks for all the extra light. Just started leaking, but it rotted out the entire cabinet in 1 hour. Shut the water off. Check. Remove the supply lines. I love this tool. I switched to the Glacier Bay single handle faucet years ago. Less parts, less problems. Wow, this floor was definitely in pretty rough shape. I always use plumber's putty, but in this case I could not find my plumber's putty for some reason, so I ended up using caulk. Not my preferred method. I'm just the person that's coming back to fix the faucet, so caulk is just adds more time and taking it apart and things. Yeah, it is what it is. I always dump the P-trap in the toilet, just in case there's any diamond rings in there, then I flush them down the toilet. I just want to say in advance, thanks for those business owners out there that just used my link to sign up for a credit card with Chase. I just received 200,000 bonus points. No, I'm still waiting for someone to sign up. I like these click together pop-up assemblies so much better, especially with that little part that pops up and the rod. It's just so much easier with the click together setup instead of that little thumb screw. So good job, Glacier Bay. I like to apply pipe dope to all my joints, underneath the kitchen sink, underneath the bathroom sink, all these little, connections. I like to apply pipe dope. That's just what I was taught. I can remember the day I had a leaky P-trap, and the guy was just like, yeah, apply a little pipe dope. And, yeah, from then on, I continue to do it. So I still do it to today. There's that click together assembly. So much easier. So much better. So much better. All right, there it is in action. Looking good. He was not supposed to let her up. Next repair, there was not enough makeup air for the furnace room, and it was missing this cap right there. It was just tape, and they wanted a cap on there. So right here I'm installing this cap. I'm crimping it down to shrink it down so it'll go inside of that Y. There it goes in. 3 screws go on that per code. While I was at this house, I went ahead and cleaned the flame sensor. Just preventative maintenance, prevent future problems. As I'm cleaning this flame sensor, I noticed the draft inducer motor just didn't look right. It was turned. And then I realized that motor's not supposed to be that close to that exhaust pipe, and I realized that it needs turned 1 screw clockwise. It needs rotated, and just amazed that people can't put things back the same way they take them apart. All right, now this one, yeah. Okay, I don't know what's more disturbing, the channel locks or the washcloth that's being used. This shower valve was missing quite a few pieces. I have no idea where they are. This cartridge did not want to come out for nothing. There was actually no retaining clip holding that cartridge in. I don't know who took it apart, but it was missing several pieces. I definitely need to invest in that cartridge removal tool.
Alright, all good. Installed that vent, uninstalled that vent for the makeup air. Furnace is right there, so it's good. Thermostat, replace the filter. Gotta find a big log to hook to.